Hello, and welcome back. So this video is an opinion piece from somebody who studied insurance and has always tried to understand it, and obviously things always change. So you find that, something will shift the insurance sector and, rules have to apply or change as to how they've been done before. So in the recent months with the Covid-19, a lot of businesses have closed down, or some couldn't obviously operate because it was locked down for literally everybody. Stage 5, no one could operate. So it means that a lot of restaurants, a lot of, hair salons, nail bars, etc. had to be without business and therefore without income. And insurance companies, when you cover yourself, or your business, or take a commercial lines insurance policy, business interruption, things like that are actually covered. But now, COVID, everybody closes and nothing can happen. And so it's very interesting for me because as an insurer, not an insurer, but a person who's worked in insurance, I thought to myself, well, obviously I'm not going to pay those claims. That was my first instinct. Because if you watch the last video that I posted talking about the different types of risks, and we spoke about a fundamental risk, and this is a fundamental risk. COVID-19 is a fundamental risk. And to really think about it, it's affecting a large number of people. It's unquantifiable. You literally don't know when it's going to end, when level 5 will come back on, or it's too much that we can't quantify. And therefore, that is a challenge I think that was facing the insurance companies, because had 3 businesses, or maybe had COVID only hit in, the Eastern Cape alone, and there were businesses that had to suffer business interruption there, maybe insurers could say, okay, it's still a specific risk because it's actually just affecting this province, but everywhere else we're still okay. But because it's affecting the large, not even country, but the world at large, and we don't know when it's going to end or when businesses can go into full, capacity, how do you then cover it as an insurer? So people were very upset that, some insurance companies didn't want to pay, and then there was different clauses that were raised and so forth. And for me, I thought, well, it's a fundamental risk. Technically, actually, it's an uninsurable risk that's happening right now. And so I'd also like to know from people like yourself who know insurance, like insurance, or probably, are experts at it, and just to say, do you agree with me or disagree with me? Because for me, technically, I'm like, this COVID-19 situation is a fundamental risk, which is uninsurable. And so, sorry for you, but that's just me. And that's why I'm saying this has got nothing to do with any insurer. I actually wanted to have a philosophical or an educated discussion with people to say, do you see it from my side? Or do you think there has to be an element of, putting the clients first? Because putting the clients first, are we now guaranteed that, you put them first? Do you not lose, business in a long term because you're putting them first for how long? Are you going to then say, okay, we'll pay your business interruption claim for the next 3 months thereafter we shut it down? Or it's very hard because ultimately, as I said, it's a fundamental risk which is not insurable. But I would love to hear your opinions. I would also love for you to subscribe to my channel and to like this video, and also share with other people that you know, and also comment on this topic because I'm quite interested to hear what your opinions and thoughts are about this topic. I hope you have a good day, and more videos are coming up.